Hi, third graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we are looking at a fish tank. Now, we have Cameron here, and Cameron has some fish. Now, some of his fish are clownfish. I have my orange marker for the clownfish. And then there's other types of fish too. So we're going to try to figure out how many fish are in the tank based off of the information they give us about the clownfish. So this is going to be fun. Here we go. We're going to read it, even though there's a glare. Stick with me. Cameron has 4 clownfish in his tank. Okay, so we know that for sure so far. He's got 4 clownfish. 1/3 of the fish in the tank are clownfish. Okay, so we know 1/3 of the tank is clownfish. How many fish does Cameron have in his tank? Okay. So we have to figure out how many fish there are if we know that there are 4 clownfish. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clownfish. So these are the clownfish right here. I'm telling you guys, labels save lives. So write some labels. It doesn't hurt. So 4 clownfish. And then we know for sure that 1/3 of the fish in the tank are clownfish. So this, we have to have this be 1 out of 3 groups. And we know in fractions, we have to put an equal number of things into each group. So I'm switching out my color, different color fish, so we don't get confused. So maybe these are beta fish. And then let's say, how about goldfish? I don't have gold, you guys. Let's just do pink for goldfish, because I already used the orange. So then these would be like the goldfish. Okay, now the question is, how many fish does Cameron have in his tank? So all of these fish would be in the tank, all of them, right? The clownfish, the beta fish, the goldfish. So we just have to count them up because this is 1 out of the 3 groups. So let's count by 4s. Ready? 4, 8, 12. So there are 12 fish. Now, here's another way to look at this. Maybe you're like, I don't really want to draw out all the fish. I'm ready for another idea. You could also do this. So maybe you might think about it as, I'm just going to try to make myself a little more room, a bar model. So you could say this is the tank. That's the whole tank, right? And we know that 1/3 of the fish are clownfish. So we could break it into 3 groups. And we also know that 4 of them are clownfish. So these are clownfish. Right? So if this piece is worth 4, then this piece also is worth 4, and this is worth 4. So it's showing the same thing. It's just in this one you can see each of the fish, right? And in this one we're starting to kind of bring down our model into just using our numbers. Either strategy is great, right? We can still see all the fish in the tank. That was our question right here. 4, 8, 12. So we would have 12 in the tank. Voila! Which way would you solve it? Which strategy works best for you? Either one works. All right, kids, I'll see you next time. Bye.